Is hydrogen heating safe and a sustainable choice for future projects? There is a myriad of reports that draw attention to the risks associated with hydrogen heating and a plethora of accounts that state counterwise. Therefore, building up to a decision for hydrogen for heating by the UK government in 2026, the HSE will provide an authoritative view on the safety of using 100% hydrogen for heat across Great Britain. The support provided by the HSE will feed into government policy decisions in 2026 based upon the HSE's 2023 Call for Evidence on Hydrogen Heating, which closed in October 2023. The primary focus of the involvement of the HSE is to ensure that the risks associated with hydrogen for heat are properly understood and managed by the network's operators. The HSE has also set up a future hydrogen regulatory workstream to assess the suitability of HSE enforced regulations. This work will consider the regulatory and legislative changes that will be required to enable a potential larger roll out of 100% hydrogen for heating. The HSE will also develop options for any necessary amendments to the health and safety regulatory frameworks. This will contribute to potential policy options for future safety regulation in the final quarter of 2024, followed by written advice to the Department for Energy Security and Net Zero in March 2025, ahead of the final decision on hydrogen for heating in 2026. Therefore, if greater volumes of hydrogen do enter the UK gas distribution network, it will only be after a complete safety review. The Netherlands has been at the forefront of hydrogen heating, with several successful implementations across the country. One notable project is the High Stock Initiative, which aims to produce and store hydrogen using excess renewable energy. The stored hydrogen is then used to provide heat and power during periods of high demand, reducing the reliance on fossil fuels. Japan has also been actively exploring hydrogen as a sustainable heating solution. The country has launched a pilot project in the city of Fukuoka, where hydrogen is produced from renewable sources and used to provide heat and hot water for buildings. The project has shown promising results in terms of reducing carbon emissions and increasing energy efficiency. These case studies demonstrate that hydrogen heating is not just a theoretical concept, but a practical and viable solution for reducing carbon emissions and transitioning to a more sustainable energy system. In conclusion, hydrogen heating has the potential to be a safe and sustainable choice for. However, a decision will only be made after a robust safety review and when all the relevant regulatory framework is in place. While hydrogen offers numerous environmental benefits, such as zero carbon emissions and the ability to be generated from renewable sources, safety considerations and limited infrastructure are crucial factors to consider. To receive the latest information on renewable technologies, legislation, and best practice, sign up to our free newsletter today through our website or by simply scanning the QR code.